quote, "These are not new allegations or new accusers. These are the same individuals, former long-term girlfriends who were involved in consensual relationships. This was their private sex life, defined by consent, not coercion," end quote. I'm joined once again by defense attorney and former prosecutor Mark Eiglarsh. I said he'd be back, and here he is. And I'm going to put that law degree to work because the internet is on fire, Mark. Everybody's saying Cassie can't testify because she signed a non-disclosure agreement in the settlement with Diddy. So take it away.
Well, when prosecutors subpoena you and require you to testify, you're going to testify. That's different. Non-disclosure agreement. All right, you can't go and tell the public what happened and get paid for your story. So she's coming out and saying who she is because she's sympathetic. Who doesn't look at that video and say, oh my goodness, who is that poor victim who he's beating? So I don't know that it shows courage. I think that she's getting the publicity that goes along with being a true victim of a very violent offense.
Well, that's actually a really good point. I want to pull on that string a little more. You do not have to come forward with your name. She had every right to come into this trial and remain victim number one. Everybody's made their assumptions online, but she didn't have to. Is there something to that that might make Diddy's team shake in their boots? Does it lend any more strength to the prosecutor's case? Is it something the prosecutors would have asked her to do?
No to all those questions. Whether she's Rihanna or whether she's Jane Doe, I don't think matters. I think that when jurors are there focused on the facts of the case, they're going to determine whether the evidence meets the elements of the crime, period. I don't think who she is really matters.
Well, I'll tell you what, it is unquestionable that her civil lawsuit against P. Diddy opened the floodgates. When it was settled,
Sure.
All of a sudden, there were so many who came forward, and prosecutors read all of their complaints and almost formulated their criminal complaint based on the civil complaints. Do you think that Cassie coming out publicly and saying, I am not a number, I am a name, might actually open the gates for others to do the same in this trial and come out publicly with their names too?
Yes, it takes a lot of courage for unnamed people to come forward and take on someone as powerful as Diddy, who can afford the best doggone lawyers to vigorously and zealously cross-examine them. It takes extraordinary courage. But when someone comes forward and they're believed and the public actually rallies around them, others say, you know what, that could be my experience. I'm going to step forward.
I am so curious because I could not believe the tsunami that she created just by coming forward as the first. And here we are in a criminal courtroom in just like a little over a month. Mark Eiglarsh, thank you for this. Really appreciate it. I'm going to ask you again. You got to come back. You'll do that, right?
All right, will do.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.